to your 18th openGL tutorial. Don't forget we are learning the core openGL. So last tutorial, the 17th tutorial, we talk about clearing the screen, that is clearing the buffer with a color. So actually we can clear the screen color buffer using the GL clear function, where we pass in buffer bits to specify which buffer we would like to clear. The possible bits we can set are GL color buffer bit, GL deep buffer bit, and GL tensile buffer bit. Right now we only care about the color value, so we only clear the color buffer. So first we need to do is to set our color, which we'll set by GL. We set it with this function GL clear color here. GL clear color, I'm gonna GL clear color 0.2 f. Just write it the way I'm doing. I'm gonna explain. F, then 0.3 f, then 1.0. so okay, then GL clear, which GL color buffer bits. So actually you will see the difference. Actually our window was a black boring window, so right now let's see what we have here. Note that we also set a color via GL color to clear the screen with. So we set the color we want here, that is, we set it here, and before we now clear the buffer, whenever we call GL clear, which is this, and clear the color buffer, the entire color buffer will be filled with the color as configured by GL clear color. This will result in a dark green bluish color. So you can see our window is now having a dark green bluish color. So I think you understand. We set our color here and we clear the buffer with we clear the buffer with our color. So our window is having a dark green bluish color. So whenever we maximize our this thing, is still having the same color. So as you might recall from the openGL tutorial, the GL color and the GL clear color function is a state setting function, and GL clear is a state using function. In that, it uses the current states to retrieve the clearing color from. So this is the end of this tutorial and the window creation. So right now we have successfully created our window. We'll give it a color, which so you can change, you can manipulate the color to see what it looks like. You can give it yellow, green, just manipulate the numbers here. So same in the next tutorial, we will start drawing our triangle. So bye. Don't forget to subscribe.